Hello everyone, I am Divyarani Babar, working as an assistant professor at AISSMS IOIT Pune. Today, we will discuss what is relation. First, we will see definition of relation. Let A and B be two sets. A binary relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Or we can say R is a subset of A cross B. Now, we have already studied what is A cross B. It is nothing but Cartesian product of set A, B. So, A cross B is equal to A comma B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to set B. Now, here, usually we use the notation A, R, B to denote A comma B belongs to R. That means A comma B are the elements from the relation set. A is not related to B is used to denote A comma B does not belongs to R. That means A and B are not the members or elements of the relation set R. Now, let's consider one example. Set A contains three elements 1, comma 2, comma 3 and set B contains four elements 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 4. Now, what will be the A cross B here? 1, comma 0, 1, comma 1, 1, comma 2, 1, comma 4. Now second element from the set A is 2. So 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4. Third element from the set A is 3. So 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4. This is nothing but A cross B. That means Cartesian product of set A and B. Now here we can say R is the relation where A comma B belongs to relation R if and only if A is exactly equal to B. Then R is equal to 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 because it contains the elements A is equal to B and R is a subset of A cross B. Now we will see graphical representation of ordered pairs. First I have noted here elements of the set A and here are the elements from the set B. That means elements of the set A are 1, 2, 3 and elements from the set B are 0, 1, 2, 4. Here for the graphical representation arrows are used to represent these ordered pairs of relation R. So, in the relation R, two elements are present 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. So, here one arrow drawn from 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 2 to 2. So, this is the graphical representation of ordered pairs. Now, relation from a set to itself. Suppose a relation on a set A is a relation from A to A. For example, consider one relation. It contains elements A comma B, but condition is what? A divides B. So set A is already given. It contains 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, here we have to check this condition while making relation set. That means A divides B. Now here 1 comma 1, yes, 1 divides 1, 1 comma 2, 1 divides 2, 1 comma 3, 1 divides 3, 1 comma 4, 1 divides 4, 1 comma 5, 1 divides 5, 1 comma 6, 1 divides 6, 2 comma 2, yes, 2 divides 2, 2 comma 4, 2 divides 4, 2 comma 6, 2 divides 6, 3 comma 3, 3 divides 3, 3 comma 6, 3 divides 6, 4 comma 4, 4 divides 4, 5 comma 5, 5 divides 5, 6 comma 6, 6 divides 6. Now, what will be the graphical representation of relation R? Here you have to mention the elements which are present in the set A and same you have to mention elements present in the set A, because here relation from a set to itself is present. So you have to check the relation set, and according to this you have to draw arrows here. That means 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Next one is 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, and so on. So this is nothing but the graphical representation of relation R. Now, next point is what? Number of relations on a set with n elements. Now, consider a relation on a set A is a subset of A cross A. Now here, set A contains n elements and A cross A contains n square elements. So here we are interested in listing down all the subsets of A cross A. That means we are interested in finding the power set of A cross A. We know that how to represent this power set, that is P of A. So here P of A is the power set of set A, and let say A has an elements, set A has n elements, then P of A, that means power set of A, must have 2 raised to n elements. Okay, so because of this, power set of A cross A must have 2 raised to n square elements. Hence, we can say that number of relations on a set A with n elements is equal to cardinality of power set of A cross A is equal to 2n square, 2 raised to n square. Thank you.